Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name's Niki. So I'm working on a 14" by 18" canvas today, and I'll show you my colours. Firstly, we have an interference called Sequins by this little piggy, which is Interference Violet. And this is also by TLP. This is Latte. Like a deep creamy pearl. Nice and shimmery. And Agapanthus, also by TLP, which is a silvery lavender. You can see lots of silver mica in it as well. And looking at it, I can also see some blue and pink as well. Little sparkles. And Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold. Matisse Aqua Green Light. And this is a mixture of sequins, TLP Sequins, with Pearlex Reflex Violet and just a couple of blueberry sized blobs of Atelier Dioxazine Purple. So it's a shimmery deep purple. You can really see the sparkles in it from the twilight. Twilight, from sequins. Really pretty. And my cell activator is just white today. And it's my mix of Atelier and Amsterdam titanium white, equal parts, mixed with Floetrol. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of the paint. So 1 part as in half of the Amsterdam, half of the Atelier. So for instance, if I did tablespoons, it would be half a tablespoon of the Atelier titanium white and half a tablespoon of the Amsterdam, and then 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of Australian Floetrol. But yeah, no silicone, no oils, nothing else added, just Australian Floetrol. And in my colours, there's no oils either. If you head to the description box, everything is listed, what's mixed in the colours, what's mixed in my cell activator, and my base, my pillow. I'll show you that. Just straight out of the can. I'll show you the can. Just white, low sheen. Just wrecking the place. Okay, I've picked everything up now. I'll show you the consistency. So it leaves a trace that eventually disappears, and really my colours are the same thickness as that as well, because I like my colours thick. I haven't really thought about what I'm going to do today, so I'll have a think and then we'll get cracking.
Some balance in my life. the possibility. Got a little lost in the thought of you and me. If I told you I was living just a little bit in the past, just because the future scares me, and that everything should pass. Try to analyze this, yeah, try to figure out how to get my head around this, how to read between the lines. Guess that I got lost in the possibilities. Got a little lost in the thought of you and me. I don't wanna leave you, but I'll never had you. I was only dreaming and you never loved me. I don't wanna leave you, but I'll never had you. I was only dreaming and you never loved me. Got a little lost in the possibility. Got a little lost in the thought of you and me. Guess that I got lost in the possibilities. Got a little lost in the thought of you and me.
So I'm thinking this is going to be one I will embellish. I wanted to keep it quite simple so that I could do some embellishing on it. I did think about doing some more swipes, but I quite like the shape. That's a nice shimmer. So we'll see what we can do with that once it's dry. Thanks again for being here with me, guys. I really appreciate you all. And if you like it, please hit the like button and please share. And please consider subscribing. It's free to you and it really helps me out. I'd really appreciate it. And any questions, just ask in the comment section below. And as always, everything you need to know is listed in the description box below. Just click on the video title to easily access it. And everybody take care. Stay safe. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.